Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the 2022 Craft Challenge. And for March, the theme is spring and decoupage. The technique is decoupage. And the items to choose from are napkins, glue, old book pages, sheet music, pattern scrapbook paper, paint, and gems. And I pretty much used I think I did use everything in here. So let me show you what I made. And this right here is going to be part of a giveaway. So just stay tuned and I'll show you all the information. So this has an elastic banding, and it was supposed to originally been a waterfall journal insert, but my waterfall just did not work. It would work for a little bit and I would push it up some, but then when I pull it back down it wouldn't do right. So I'll show you along the way. So the front right here, I have a whole bunch of different I have like fussy cut items. Some of the tags and stickers and things come from various places. So this sticker, this is I think this is premium marketing I got from Hobby Lobby. And then we got Mente, fussy cut. This is Alice from Stamperia. Then I've got some washi tape. And then these papers are from Bo Bunny. Then this right here is Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, and then these are Prima flowers. And this right here comes from Mente. From I think it's this book, Jump Book. Yeah, because it's got like a whole bunch of cut aparts and things in there. So that's where that comes from. So this is a pocket here. This is a pocket here. And then this is a pocket right here. So, and then we open it up. And so you have a pocket here. And this word anew, along with March Madness, and some of the other things in here, which I'll show you when I get to it, they come from the free digital kit on the blog. The blog March 2022 blog challenge ephemera kit or something like that. And then this green piece of paper right here is also a backdrop from a freebie kit that's on the Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook page as well. So there's two free digitals, one on the Facebook page, which is New Beginnings, and then there's also one on the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog. So, and I'll have a link in the description for all that. So let's go ahead and let me show you what's in here. So this right here was from Dollar Tree. This was one of their three-dimensional stickers, but I wanted to leave this part kind of overhanging the pocket. So I just added this to some white cardstock and fussy cut it out so it wouldn't like stick, you know. And then this is just coffee dyed index card, coffee dyed. And then this is from Mente. Let me see if you can see this or not. Yeah, coffee dyed paper, Mente, and then washi sticker. This is premium marketing. I just made a tag out of it. And then this right here, Stamperia, Alice in Wonderland, and I just added it to some coffee dyed graph paper and stitched around the edge. And then this right here, this right here was supposed to have been the what do you call it, waterfall card, but it didn't work, so I just turned it into just like an accordion journaling pocket or journaling spot. Yeah, so I was so heartbroken because I put a lot of effort into trying to make the waterfall card. I had never made one before, so yeah. But I just have to keep trying until I get it. But so far I have not gotten it. Okay, so we come on over here and then we're going to open this up. And this paper here is Bo Bunny. And this little, we have like a little swivel, what do you call it, piece. And that's what kind of holds this little flap down. So I'm just going to open that up. And then this little flap opens up like so. Then you've got your little pocket right here. And then here's another one of those Alice in Wonderland Stamperia papers. And it's actually the, which one was it? It was the backgrounds, the Alice backgrounds. Not Alice in Wonderland, which is basically the same thing, but it's just called Alice backgrounds. So, and this part right here, I just took some white paper and deckled the edges and did some, I took the Dollar Tree Rubble and Transfer. But for some reason, it didn't transfer the whole image, but it still works because it still has that faded kind of look to it. So that still works out fine. And then I just had some torn paper to create this pocket right here. And then this comes out. And then you have this beautiful card right here. You can use it for a journaling spot. And I'd gotten this from the flea market. I got this for $1. It's, yeah. Got a whole box of it. I may even put some more in here as part of the giveaway. Yeah, this is going to be a giveaway. Did I mention that? Yeah. I'm going to put a few extra in here too. And so, and then this beautiful paper right here, this comes from the Dollar Tree. This was from that, there was a pack that you can get. It has like different color papers and stuff in there. And that's where this came from. This and a few other things that are on the inside. And then we have some coffee and watercolor dyed paper, index card. So we're just going to put this back in here. Well, if I can set it down there without it getting stuck. Okay. And then this opens up like so. And so you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And this basically comes from Mente. This was another one of those from that junk book. And let's see. And then these papers, like I said, it was a 12 by 12 paper that came from Bo Bunny. And then here's some more Mente. I had cut that out from, I had a whole sheet of, let's see, Mente. Here's the product code for it. It had like several different really beautiful images and things. So I just cut some of those apart and then used it right here. And then we have some Tim Holtz like sayings. Raya's a new splendor. And then this comes from his, it's from the Tim Holtz Ideology Clipping Sticker Book. And there's a lot of great phrases in there that you can use. So now these right here, the buttons, no, actually the buttons and these two tickets or tags and the words that look like that, and let's see, and this flower, these buttons and flower, all of those come from the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog freebie, the March 2022 ephemera sheet. But then this green here, and then the green that's behind here, and these envelope tuck spots, what do you call them? Envelopes, pockets. These come from the Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook page. New Beginnings. That's what this kit is. So, and all these are free. Free. And so the ticket, this comes from Mente. There's another ticket from Mente, or tag from Mente. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back in here. And I'm going to close that back up, put that down, close this down. I'm going to seal this back up. And like I said, this little rose kind of keeps this down. I'm going to tie this back up real quick. My hands are cold right now, so it's kind of hard for me to maneuver. Okay, so that'll work. And then over to the back, we've got like a pocket. There's a pocket here. How did I do this? There's a pocket back here. There's a pocket in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a small one, but I don't know if this tag can fit down in there or not. But yeah, so a pocket here, pocket here, then there's a pocket here, and then there's a pocket, I think there's a pocket in here. No, there's not one. This is just one unit. I thought it was a pocket, but it's not. So, but yeah, this is pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you want to participate in this blog or in this drawing or giveaway, I'm giving away this, and I'll probably add in some more stuff too. We'll see, some die cuts or something, just whatever. And so the only rules is you have to be, this is open for US and abroad. And the giveaway starts from today through Thursday, I think it's the 11th, 10th or 11th, whatever Thursday is. I gotta look at the calendar. And you have to be a subscriber, like this video, leave a comment, and that's basically it. It's really easy. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, check out my blog and my social media sites. And if you do participate in some of the blogs or even use any of the digitals and stuff like that, I would absolutely love to see your work and your creations. And you know, feel free to just visit on my Facebook page, Multimedia Crafts Digital, and put some of your pictures of creations and things like that. Or whenever, if you do get like download any of the digitals, you know, just click like or something just to let me know that you really like what you just got. But thank you guys so much for being part of this crafting community. And I will have a drawing on Thursday, and I guess probably around, I might do the drawing around 9 o'clock a.m. So thanks for watching. Bye.